The Webasto parking heater is started with a choice of either the Comfort preset timer, one of the 2 radio remote controls, or by mobile phone, depending on the customer's wishes. But just how does a parking heater work in detail? After the parking heater has been started, the dosing pump delivers fuel from the vehicle's tank to the heater. The glow plug in the heater is supplied with current and begins to glow. Ambient air is drawn into the device at the same time. The fuel is vaporized by the hot glow plug to form a combustible fuel air mix, which ignites when the required temperature is reached. The cold water flowing past is heated and then pumped around the engine coolant circuit. This heated water is forwarded to the vehicle's heat exchanger, which blows the heat directly into the passenger compartment using the vehicle's own blower fans. The heated water now flows on from the heat exchanger to the engine, which also heats up, and then finally back to the heater. Thanks to this comfort technology, you climb into a preheated car with clear windows, and the engine is also preheated, which in turn reduces environmental pollution. Welcome to a cozy car.